Well, good morning, diamond painting people. I'm trying not to be in the shop, but at the same point, me and my mom were talking about how the way my camera angles things, it makes my chest look big. So I am sorry. I don't mean to have myself all in the shot like that. But I told her the angles that I have sometimes, I feel like the guy with the shrunken head from Beetlejuice. I was telling her it makes me look like I have a big body and a small little peanut head. She started laughing at me. But good morning. It's morning here. It's 9:40 this in the morning. It's November 16th, which is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. All right, I had to let that out. Because if I'm making a video on her birthday and I don't do a shout out to embarrass her, she might get a little sad, which I doubt because my mom's not like that, but why not? All right, I have an unbagging from AliExpress. Let's see if I can get this all in a shot. See, it's still blurry. I end up getting a new screen protector to hopefully stop the blurriness on this side, but it doesn't work out. It's from AliExpress. It took 26 days in shipping, 30 days total, because it took them 5 days to process my order. So I ordered it on 10/15. It got here at 11/15. It's from the Elena store. Elena. It's the store that I got the free Huracan. Here I go again, can't talk. The free Huracan diamond painting from. So I said, you know what? I haven't bought anything from them, and they were so gracious to get me a free diamond painting. Why not? It's H1972. I call it the Cocoa Owl because I will show you what it looks like and why I call it the Cocoa Owl. It's a 30 by 30. It's supposed to be a full square. Now, of course, I knew it was going to take a while to get here because of Christmas shopping. Everyone's doing their Christmas shopping offline and things of that nature. So I do have two other ones coming from AliExpress. They are in White Plains, New York now, so they'll probably be here sometime next week. I'll try to do an unboxing next week, but it's Thanksgiving here in the United States, and I have a lot to do. We're having almost 15 people from our church coming to have Thanksgiving with us because a lot of people do not have family members. They're all older people, 50 plus, no kids to go to. They're all living out of state and grandkids, and so we opened our house to everybody. Plus, we don't have any family, so why not share the joy of not having family? So, it came in a bubble wrap envelope. Ooh, that's a little crushed. As you can see, the foam roll didn't go all the way out, but that's the out part of the canvas where I'm not drilling, so I could care less in a way. Get that off the way. A standard toolkit with a nice white tray. It has a 3-placer, wax, tweezers. If anyone who's watching my video and they are doing projects maybe with kids or other people and they want extra trays, drill pens, wax, tweezers, let me know. I have so much. And if you're in the United States, I will ship them to you for free. I have over 14, this makes 15, I should say, drill pens, trays. I have a lot of the green trays though, not the white. This is like my third extra one. And these are just the straight tweezers. If anyone needs them, like they're doing projects maybe with inner city kids or something that will require something like this, please let me know because I'll be more than happy to ship them to you because I have nothing else to do with them. I'm a tweezer person. I have one Huracan drill pen. I have so much wax stored just for myself that I'll give these away to anyone who wants them. So I just thought, because there are people out there who's trying to do things, like there's one person, I forgot who it was on YouTube, but they're doing stuff with their classroom. They're a teacher, and she works, I think, with high school kids. And so, you know, when they're done with their schoolwork, she has diamond paintings set up on the side for kids that are done early. They could do diamond paintings. So I thought that was really cool. I think they sent me the wrong one. Oh no. 1972. Yeah, 1972-2. They sent me the wrong one. This is not even the Cocoa Owl. Ugh, I have to get a hold of them. Come on. This doesn't even have an inventory sheet, so I can't tell. Yeah, okay, it's the same. It's 1972-2. I'm not sure if you can see that right there. Where's my finger? Woohoo, right there. And they sent me the owl with the umbrella. This is so upsetting in a way because I picked that one in general because I thought it was a cute owl. It's an owl holding a little cup. And at first I thought it was coffee. And it's a nice colorful owl like this, but then on the sides, it had leaves and fall colors in a way around the corners, and I thought that was so cute. And you look in the cup of coffee, because you can see the little bit, well, I call it cocoa, you can see like two white things, so I thought it was marshmallow. So I was like, that'd be so cute. Look like an owl drinking a cup of cocoa. And I'm now upset. I kind of got the wrong one. But we'll still do an unboxing. I'll just let them know they gave me the wrong one. Maybe they give me a refund or just send me out the right one for free. Kind of like a Christmas gift, I guess. What can you do? They're probably going crazy over there anyway. Think about it. How many people do diamond paintings and how many people order? And some of these stores are all affiliated. You know, they all go by different names, but they all come out the same place. When I look at some of the people that get a lot of viewers, if you think about it, you know, some of them have 7,000 views. 7,000 diamond painters, maybe, ordering from some of these stores. Maybe not all at once, but think about it, like 500 orders maybe a day or 500 orders a week. And some of those factories don't have a lot of workers, so it is probably a little crazy for them. But I'm supposed to have people double check these things. Let me stop. So, wrong one. It is a Huracan. And this wrong one, I should say, only has 54 310s to complete it. The most it has is 3756 DMC code, 4437. So 40 colors, and it's a 30 by 30 square drill. Now let's check out my campus. Or my wrong one. I waited a whole month. Let me stop. Usually I get them in 15 days, 20 days tops. But like I said, with the Christmas and mail people and going crazy, delivering packages, I didn't expect it too quick. And then that's the drill field. Fairly clear. All right, let's open it up some more so I can flatten this bad boy out. See, one thing I don't like, well, we'll see. It's like the owl's so far near the bottom that you're just doing a bunch of empty space on the right side. Let me open this up a little bit more. Come on, work for me. There you go. See? All that like empty drill space in a way. Could make the owl maybe a little bigger. I know on the other side, he's in this picture, he's supposed to, I should say, maybe. It's supposed to be holding an umbrella. Because even in nature, you know, a lot of animals are colorful. And, you know, I thought the colorful peacocks, when I was small, were female. Because, you know, human females we're very colorful creatures. If you think about it, we love fashion. But no, a lot of colorful creatures and creatures with the big manes like lions. I thought the females, when I was small, before I knew better, I thought the females were the one with the big bushy manes because females are supposed to have long hair. But yeah, that's me. And here's the other half. So see on the umbrella. But I just think that's a big waste of space on this side to drill. That's why I like partials when it comes to having just a plain background, because I don't want to do the same color all, you know, in the wide open space. I'd rather just do the nice character or the image right in the middle when it comes to just a plain background for a partial. That's how I feel. But that's nice and clear. It's a big one. Like I said, it's by Whocan. Let's just take a quick look at the drills. And then I have to let the seller know they sent me the wrong one. Like I said, I just, you know, I don't know if they want this back. Probably not. It just won't be worth the freight and everything else. But I just let them know they gave me the wrong one. If they want just, at least, if they want to refund part of my money. But we'll see how it goes. Like I said, it's my first time ordering from them since I got that new painting. And I'm kind of upset because on my phone through the app, it does show the picture of the owl cocoa. And I thought it was so cute. But what can you do? Oh, this is a pretty blue. Remind me of like Frozen with Elsa. I'm not going to do inventory on screen, guys. I just like, some people like to see the pretty colors. This is like a dark purple. There we go. These have a lot of bright colors. I mean, pinks, different shades of blue and red, and some grays. It's a bright one. Oh, of course, this is 666. The bright red. Fiery red, I should say. Oh, but they have some beautiful colors. Look at all these different bluish purples, and this is the one, the 3756, that I have the most of. This one is handwritten. And how many am I supposed to have? Number 49. That's a lot. So I definitely know there's plenty in there. I am still working on that 80 by 60. I'm getting along. I'm hoping to have it done by Christmas. I mean, Thanksgiving, but that didn't work out. Supposed to have 54 of these. I hope I have enough. It doesn't look like. Oh, they gave me 62. So. And then you got some pastel blues. Almost look the same. 3761 and 3766. All right, I'm gonna do inventory real quick, so at least we'll check, see if the inventory is right. And then I'll show you guys that 80 by 60, how much I got done. I'm trying to get another section done today, but it's hard. My toddler, she's been becoming a pain in the behind lately, for lack of better words. I'll sit at the table because I have to do it here. And no, she comes in here and it's like, she likes My Little Pony, so I have to do all the voices. And so I'm trying to pay attention to her, but at the same point, I'm trying to pay attention to my diamond painting. And it's just, my mommy brain is not working. We all get that mommy brain, which is like, no, I don't think so. 208. I'm supposed to have 168. They say 193. Does that look like 193? That's always going to look like close to 100. See, this is scaring me. I hope I have enough. That 80 by 60 is scaring me too, because I'm getting low on some of the colors. I'm like halfway done. So let me do inventory. Let me stop blabbing. I'll be right back. All right, inventory's good. I used to have all my colors. But there is a lot of like pinks. This is why I wish I had the other one, because like I said, around the corners, it had like a border around it. And I thought that was so cute. They had like coral colors, but almost incorporated fall leaves into it. And the owl is the same color, sitting there with a cup of cocoa. You could kind of see like the two marshmallows in there and just giving it a look like, yep, it's fall. It's cold, but I'm going to enjoy myself. But yeah, I was going to let the seller know they sent me the wrong one, and we'll see what goes from there. You know, I still like it. I still think it's cute. Oh, she has a little purse, it looks like. But I just really wanted the, you know, the Cocoa Owl, the name I gave it, because I wanted something for fall. Because I do have the one that I got from my previous video of the, what is it? The little cardinal, I think it is, in the snow, wearing the hat. So I kind of want one for each season, I should say. There you go. I can't even talk. But yeah, let me show you my 80 by 60 real quick so you guys can see where I'm at. Okay, and then that will be it. So I'll see you guys next video, maybe next week. We'll see, because the holidays I might not have one. But if not, I'll see you in the next screenshot with the 80 by 60. All right, that's what I got done so far. You can see the church. You can see the platter. Definitely the vase and the flowers are done. I am working on the little section underneath the paper, but I'm trying to get it done. I was trying to get it done before Thanksgiving, but it's getting hard. But I'm going to work on it as much as I can this weekend and today. And that's it. That's all I want to show you guys. So have a blessed holiday. Have fun. Enjoy yourself. Don't let anyone stress you out. That's about it. Bye.